Go fried without the guilt with the new Gourmia Digital Air Fryer Oven GTF 7460. At Gourmia, we believe meals should be easy, healthy, and delicious. And now you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the extra fat. It's easy to use with 17 one-touch cooking functions, allowing you to bake, roast, broil, and more with just the touch of a button. Our patented FryForce 360 technology features an advanced airflow system to circulate heat from every direction, giving your food that authentic fried crispiness with up to 80% less fat. And with our express heat system, you can cook up to 30% faster than standard ovens. Its simple interface gives you full control of all settings, making adjusting toast levels, time, and temperature intuitive and straightforward. The oven's spacious interior easily fits up to 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza. What's more, we built in a dehydrate function, so you can easily create tasty dried snacks from the comfort of your home. An air fryer basket, oven rack, baking pan, and crumb tray are all included, and all are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. With its stylish French doors and compact design, the Gourmia air fryer oven will look great in any kitchen. We've also included an exclusive recipe book, so you can create a large variety of dishes that fit your healthy lifestyle, making the Gourmia